Good morning, dear children. I have sent the question answer of the tragic story, the poem. So, I will read out these question answers, which you should see in your classwork and learn them nicely. Okay, now listen to me first. I will read out these question answers. Page number 88, questions from that page number 88. Then I will answers, which are the correct answers. I will just read them and you go through. Okay, every day when you are reading. When did the sage live? When did the sage live? The sage lived in days of yore, bracket, a long time ago. Now question B. Why was the sage sad? Why was the sage sad? The sage was sad because his pigtail hung behind him and not in front. Again, I am repeating. The sage was sad because his pigtail hung behind him and not in front. C. What did he want to change? What did he want to change? He wanted to change the pigtail's place. He wanted to change the pigtail's place. D. Did the sage think he could solve his problem? Did the sage think he could solve his problem? The sage sought to find a solution to this problem and thought that he had solved the mystery. The sage sought to find a solution to this problem and thought that he had solved the mystery. Next, question E. Question E. What did he do to solve his problem? What did he do to solve his problem? The sage turned himself round. Answer. The sage turned himself round. Question 4. Question F. Was the sage successful? Was the sage successful? The sage was not successful, although he spun round and round. The pigtail still hung behind him. The pigtail still hung behind him. G. Can you find at least 3 words in the poem to describe the pigtail? Answer. Words to describe the pigtail: handsome, stout, faithful. Handsome, stout, faithful. H. Find words in the poem to describe the following: the case, the sage's efforts, First is curious, second is slack. First is curious, second is slack. Now, answer the questions about this line from the poem. Answer the questions about this line from the poem. Now what happens? I have not written second question. A only I have written. B also I have written. So C, you have to see from the book and you are right. Now he mused upon this curious case. What does mused mean? The sage mused. Understood? Sorry. Who mused? Question. So, who mused? That is second one. First one. What does mused mean? Mused means thought about, wondered. Mused means thought about, wondered. Who mused? The sage mused. In what way was the case curious? The sage's pigtail hung behind him. In what way was the case curious? The sage's pigtail hung behind him. He wanted it to hang in front of him. He wanted it to hang in front. D. Did he find a solution to the problem? No. The sage did not find a solution to the problem. The sage did not find a solution to the problem. Now, in this page, answer the following. I have sent already. Then, second, these questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. Isn't it? Find words in the poem to describe the following that I already told you. The case, second one, the sage's efforts. That answer I already told you as well as I sent you. Okay. Now, as there be a problem you have tried to solve but could not. What was the problem and how do you try to solve it? That is question answers up already. It is there that you don't do. H1 you finished, I1 you don't do. That is not there. Okay. Now coming to the second there, answer the questions about this line from the poem. So that he mused upon this curious case. That is you are right. Okay. Now third exercise is not there. Fourth one also you don't do anything. Let it be as it is. Now next match the following. The adjectives in the column A go with the nouns in column B. So column B all the nouns are there and here you have adjectives. You have to match them, right? I have done in the class already. That what you do is you write in the class workbook. Nicely draw the line and write them in the class workbook. Okay. Don't forget, write them in the class workbook. Okay. So children, here this lesson is ending. Oh, next I have told you page number 90. I already say whether the following are in the simple present or present continuous tense. That I have done in the class. So you just go through. If you are not written, just go through. So this many lessons, you finished the tragic story. Then coming to the, what is that called, haircut. Then next you have a Dr. Dolittle. So these three lessons, three you will have for the unit test. Cargoes, yeah, another poem, snare. So these two poems and two lessons you will have for the unit test. Okay, so you have to study them. Okay, then see you. Bye.